Fluffies, and this is the first episode I'm doing. God, I'm an idiot. I'll have to clean this up in a minute. Snack time with Baka. Like the snack time with Smosh thing, just with the Baka. And of course I spilled my water. So this is what we're having for snack time today, even though it's like 5 something. We have natural strawberry. Oh god. Fruit. Pure aqua water. I just noticed that it's backwards for you. I don't know if it is actually, but. And then what's our snack? I actually love these. They are breakfast corn dogs, but I always take out the sticks. I don't know why, I just love them without the sticks. So these are breakfast corn dogs. There's sausage inside and nice pancake on the outside. I'm actually not gonna do it with syrup. Maybe I have the hiccups right now, man. Water. And this is actually strawberry water. It's not like I refilled it or anything, but first bite. This is really good. I might be making you guys hungry, I don't know, but I would definitely buy these at your local grocery store. Oh my god, sorry. These are like really good, dude. And down in the comments below, tell me if you like sausage and pancakes together. I know why they did this. A lot of people, including me, like sausage with syrup and pancakes with syrup, so put them together. There's some reason. And also the reason I'm not looking at the camera is this is the I've explained this in my last vlog. This is the camera. Oh my god, my hands are really greasy. This is the camera, and this is where my face is. So good. And I did only make 2. Here. You guys can have one. I should have made them on camera. I just noticed. I will make my next lunchtime on camera. No need to worry about that. I'll definitely do it on camera next time. My hair's not like last time you saw me in my vlog. My hair was all nice, but now it's not so nice. It's kind of messed up. Oh my god. So this one for you. Yeah. I know. I'm so mean. I'm sorry. Here. We can go all romantic. You eat this and I'll eat this one, ready? On my lips. Probably really greasy. And that happened. I was looking at the camera for once, but this is really good, dude. And dudettes, sorry. So I would prefer buying sausage pancake corn dogs, or I like to call them breakfast corn dogs, because these are just corn dogs in breakfast form. I'm probably gonna have another one after this. I'm gonna make another one after this on camera. It's like putting heaven in your mouth. And then a nice fruit water. Man. Whew. Alright, we're gonna have one more. That's gonna be the end of this video. Video's probably gonna be 10 to 15 minutes long. Maybe a little shorter. Alright, so let's take this. Ooh, you guys can see my kitchen. Let me give you a tour. Oh wait, why am I putting this in the thing? Where is it? But let me give you a tour of my kitchen. So here we have an, oh god. So here we have a nice island and stove and fridge and some chips and all kinds of stuff. Put you guys there. Open up our freezer. And then we'll open up the bottom. And then you'll grab. As you can see, I'm not going to eat it like this, which kind of looks nasty like that. Now, put it on the plate. This is my cooking show, guys. Hope you take notes so that you can make it just as good as I do. And then, you put it in. And then, you put it in for 1 minute, then it just cooks. So we're gonna wait for that to beep. This thing's gonna be like probably 8 to 15 minutes long. And I was trying to work out and lose some weight, but I've been off my workout for a while. I've been gaining weight, some more weight there. I'm trying to lose some, dude. I'm trying to lose some. I am gonna be starting a Feed the Beast series, Feed the Beast series, a freaking better survival series, all these kind of series. That is gonna be awesome. Yeah, let's get you better. We have 10 seconds left. Down. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, beep. Exactly. In sync. Now, I'm going to teach you to make it like I do. So after you put it in the microwave, put this over here, you take this, peel this off, and give it to your dog. She actually ate it. Is that my pet? One of my dogs. This is Leia. That is my female German Shepherd dog. So I'm gonna go throw this away. I don't know if you can see the trash can. Oh, might be in the way. It is in the way. Stupid dog. So, we take our lunch. We take you guys. We're gonna go eat part 2 of our lunch. This is like going up for seconds. Let's just do this at like school. Then school just wouldn't be hated on so much. Oh, she is obsessed with these also. Say hi there. Aren't we just the cutest couple ever see? And no, we're so beautiful together. Alright. Hot. If I drop this, she will dive after it like I would. If I drop this, I'm gonna like spank her if she eats it. I didn't say that. Good puppy. Good. See if this is warm enough. Hot. Yeah. First bite of second serving. Delicious, man. The dough with this water. This is the perfect lunch. Buy this Pure Aqua fruit water. strawberry. And then these, dude. And you'll have the best lunch, dinner, breakfast of your life. It's hot. Hot. It makes my teeth look yellow. Because my teeth is not yellow, dude. I brush them. I might try to do daily vlogs. I don't know. Since I don't really have a PC right now, I might soon. I've been having PC, I've been playing Minecraft. I've recorded some vids. Haven't turned out well. Haven't uploaded any. But I'll upload soon. So, after we finish this, that'll be the end of the video. It's centered more. Done. A view of the sausage and the pancake. I could just do this, but this is it before it gets bited. Yeah. The reason I take off the stick is I can just bite it into like this as hard as I can. So doing like that's just a lot easier. Now I'm gonna eat this whole thing in one bite, right? You guys know what I was laughing about. That whole. No. He's not one of my dogs. Maybe in the next. This will be mealtime with Baka because I might be doing breakfast, dinner. I don't know, but the company that makes those, they owe me money because I just sponsored them. Well, really, not really sponsored them. I sponsored the invention. This guy who invented those, you give me some money, man. I'll smack you. Don't give me no money. I sponsored you. He's probably dead. Sorry if you're not. So this video was 12 minutes long. We're gonna end this video off with Leia. Say bye, Leia. No? Don't want to? Okay. I'll say, see you later, Fluffies, and don't forget, as always, stay fluffy. Bye, guys.